Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Asus Rog Phone against the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So we have the Snapdragon 845 going up against the Exynos 9810, 8GB of RAM versus 6. They both have a skin version of Android. Now with that being said, let's get started. Up first is the Asus Rog Phone. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on Android 8.1 Oreo. It has a higher clocked version of the Snapdragon 845 CPU and the Adreno 630 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Then we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's also on Android 8.1 Oreo. It has the Exynos 9810 CPU and the Mali G72 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Rog Phone wins by 3 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So in round 2, the ROG Phone wins again by 3 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the ROG Phone won by 3 points. In round 2, the ROG Phone won again and also by 3 points. This also happens to be the first time where the ROG Phone won a speed test. Now in day-to-day gaming, I did find the ROG Phone to lag and overheat quickly. As for the price difference, the Galaxy Note 9 does cost £50 more, but it has a better camera and a better screen, and it doesn't lag or overheat like the ROG Phone. What did you think of this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified as soon as I upload my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.